And she don't wanna roll in a wintertime. Yeah.
Alright, what's up, Peach Squad? Welcome back to episode 2. If you didn't see last week's episode, last week we made a pineapple and shrimp kind of dish. I will insert it somewhere on the screen, so if you didn't watch it, you can go back and look at it. This week we are making strawberry shortcake cupcakes filled with strawberries and some homemade whipped cream.
Wait a minute.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know. So if you would like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post, and let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, let's get into making this cake. We made it easy for you, so we are doing a store-bought cake. And with your store-bought cake, you're just gonna follow the instructions that's on the back. But our store-bought cake says that we need
1 cup of water, 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of
it's 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then we're adding in some butter. It's in the 1/2 cup, but it's not 1/2 cup. I believe it's like 3 tablespoons.
You
but
sure?
it's because it don't fill all the way up.
Okay.
So I like to add butter in, even though, you know, the vegetable oil helps to keep it, you know, moist. I like to add the butter because I feel it, you know, it does something to it, you know.
You do something to it, cause whatever she be making, shit, that should be having. I can't be cussing like that.
All right, so let's get into mixing everything together. So first we're gonna mix in our cake mix. And then we're gonna mix in all of our liquid ingredients. So go ahead and mix in the stuff, all the cup stuff. And a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And our butter. And then let's crack open these eggs. You know how to crack open eggs?
Of course I do.
Oh, look at you!
Okay.
Here, put it in here.
Tell you, y'all need a chef? Holla at your boy.
Okay.
No shells in
Okay. So now that
I'm whipping, yeah, I'm whipping. I'm whipping, yeah, I'm whipping. I'm whipping.
babe,
there.
you gonna make a splash everywhere. You gonna put it in there, and then you gonna mix it all together.
Oh,
You gonna have this girl all over the walls.
so not do it again.
Nah, just go.
Yeah. And she don't wanna roll in a wintertime. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we're done mixing, and you want to mix it so you ain't got no clumps, you don't see no dry stuff. What dry stuff? Dry. No cake batter. So we're gonna fill our cupcake pans.
I'm ready to eat.
I bet you are.
I'm ready to eat.
And look, I'm probably gonna get 1 cupcake, and then all the cupcakes gonna be gone.
Yeah, how many you making?
I don't know. I ain't even looking to see how much the box said that it's made, but
I'm gonna make about 5 of them.
it's gonna make that many.
Huh?
It's gonna make that many.
I keep 4, you get 1.
Okay, so we decided to be a little extra. You know, we got the gold. What are these things called?
Holders.
Cupcake. The gold cupcake liners. There we go. Cupcake liners. So I'm gonna put some in, and then he's gonna put some in. Alright. And we're just gonna fill it all. You got more in there than me.
Hey,
Oh, bed.
slow feet on with it.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna take some spoons and scoop them in to the cupcake things until they're like halfway full. Like, well, not halfway full, like 3/4 of the way full.
Okay. Nah, I'm gonna eat that off of them. Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about that.
Don't pour it, just.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know. How are we gonna do this without making a mess? Or wipe it on the sides and then put it in there?
That's too much time.
No, it's not.
What else she say?
Our cupcakes are cooking. We are going to make the strawberry filling, and then we're gonna make our whipped cream. Okay. So this video, we got a cutting board. We forgot the last video and used a plate, but we had one. So what we're gonna do is we've already rinsed our strawberries off. So we're gonna cut our strawberries and then mix. Well, first let's just cut our strawberries. And let's go. All right. Here's mine for you, and mine for me. And what you're just gonna do is, oh, you probably can't even see with the bowl in the front.
Yeah, let's move these out of the way.
What you're gonna do is just cut the green part off and then slice these in half and then in half again, and then you're gonna slice those halves in halves. You wanna try and make them small so that they'll fit inside of your cupcakes in the middle. So really, just cut them as small as possible. But not too small, because you still want to bite into your cupcake and, you know, bite strawberry, not just have all sauce. So we got a big bowl of strawberries, but we ain't gonna use. So now that you cut all your strawberries, we're gonna put them back in the bowl, and then we're gonna sprinkle some sugar over them, and then that's how you make your sauce. You get the fresh strawberryness, and then you get the sweetness from the sugar. So, you know, ain't none of that store-bought preservative stuff where you get soggy strawberries, you still get the little crunch.
Get a little crunch, huh?
Did you know that this hole is to put this stuff in there?
I know.
I didn't know either. I freaking saw a YouTube video. Not a YouTube video. I saw it on Twitter. I was like, you know, we've been doing this wrong all our lives.
Go ahead, do this.
Yes, you go ahead and do that while I prepare our sugar. Oh, well, the thing's up there.
There you go.
Okay. So we're gonna get some sugar, and that's part of the leaf. There's not really like a certain amount that you have to use, but you want to put some on there until like you see it start to get like syrupy. Like once you put the sugar on top of your strawberries, you'll see it. You will definitely see it.
I can't wait.
And you're gonna want to put it in the refrigerator. Like the fridge, kind of like, I believe it kind of helps it turn into a sauce much quicker. You're gonna add just a little more. Okay. So we're gonna set that aside, and we're gonna stir it, but we're gonna set that aside for right now. So now we're gonna get started on this whipped cream. Can you see him in the video?
Mm-hmm.
King, baby, you gotta back up. Come on. Okay, we're just gonna let him be. So we got us some heavy whipping cream. So we're not gonna measure. I don't measure. So we're just gonna pour it in there. Shake it up first. And we got us a small one because, you know, Not every day you're gonna make you some whipped cream, so there's no reason for us to get a big one. So just pour a little, well not a little, but like, I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Stop. Yeah, stop. Stop it, go. Okay. So before we add our cream cheese and powdered sugar, we're going to whip it until like it starts to get firm and thick. And then we're going to add all of our other stuff. Trying to catch it. So we're going to add a little cream cheese. And cut where it says 6 ounces. The 6 ounces? Oh no, you know what? That's 2 ounces. Cut there. We had it upside down. And while he's cutting that, I'm going to get the powdered sugar. I know. That crap. It don't be wanting to come out.
Alright.
Okay. So then we're gonna pour some powdered sugar. That's enough. Shoot, after that we might not need no more. That kind of was a lot. Oh yeah, go ahead, whip it up.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my
That looks good. You wanna taste it?
Yeah.
Oh! I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
That's where you can get finished.
This is good. This is good. So our whipped cream ain't moving. It's sturdy, which is good because that means on top of these cupcakes, it's gonna hold its shape. So we're gonna clean this up, put our strawberries in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna come back while the strawberries are chilling and our whipped cream chills, and we're gonna cut out the middle of our cupcakes to get ready for filling. So we will be right back. Guys, we got our cake mix, we got our icing in our little icing tube, and then we have our strawberry mix. So what we're about to do is I'm gonna scoop out the center, and then he's gonna fill them with
Strawberries.
the strawberries. Yes, yes, yes. So let's get to it. And when you scoop it, you don't want to scoop it like too far deep, because you don't want the filling to run down. Okay, go ahead. And see, this is our circle. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, that's cool. Just fill it with the strawberries. How many strawberries?
Until it fills.
What time is it?
It's muffin time! It's muffin time!
Strawberry filled, alrighty. And now we're gonna ice our cupcakes, and we're gonna see who can ice the best. So
It's gonna be me, of course. Oh,
Look at you.
I'm already look.
look,
That's enough.
look, mine ain't come part, so it's gonna be me that win.
Oh yeah, okay, we're gonna see.
Ah!
Look at you.
Ah! Let me put it back on. You gotta feel it all. Put it back on.
Mm-hmm. That's a dumb button right there.
Look, mine look all professional.
We don't care how it look, as long as it tastes good. You know what I'm saying?
Oh dang, I ran out of icing. I gotta get some ice.
Go ahead.
on top. And for the people who don't want to do the homemade whipped cream, you can always do store-bought. That's easy too. You know, I know sometimes people want to, you know, get this stuff done and over with. So we're gonna do one with the store-bought. Dang, that look good. All right, so here's our cupcake pan.
These three right here are mine.
Boy, I know you did not.
Hey, I'm just letting y'all know.
Look, camera, I know y'all seen which side he did. The one that looked like spider webs. The ones that look like spider webs, that's his. The one that's all nice, you know, full and put together, that's mine. Okay, you try to say that you did the ones that I did. So we know who actually won. Okay, so we're gonna try the cupcake for you on camera and show you the inside. So we're gonna cut them. Put those over there. Take this down. Try not to disrupt my whipped cream. Oh shoot. Okay, you want to do the honors of cutting it in the middle?
Sure.
So we're done icing. We've showed you the middle of them. Okay. So let's try it.
Just in case you don't finish yours, you already know what time it
Oh, I love me some strawberry shortcake, and I ain't gonna this icing. It's good.
is. Is that serious? You ain't gonna eat that.
I ain't gonna eat that. So I'm gonna finish the last piece of my cake off camera. And you guys catch us next Saturday for the next episode of Cooking with Peaches and Josh.
Thanks, y'all.
Until next
I think you're truly something special.